Okay, here we are again. Third attempt? Fourth attempt? I don't know. Who's counting? Not me. And we're back. Upon further inspection, again, sorry about the wind, guys. There's these little boats. So, we tested them. And, they're 7/16. So at this point, I'm just pulling bolts. Putting them in the bin. And if something happens, if not, zip cut, I don't know. But we're going to try. Oh, you're just going to spin, are you? Where are you? And that one needs to come off. Wait, how did he do that? How did he do that, guys? Oh, that's because that one's broken. Okay, good. That's awesome. He did a little trick. I'm gonna have to find something. I think it was the crescent wrench. Maybe it was the crescent wrench. Had to be the crescent wrench. Okay, first of all, found a crescent wrench, pair of pliers. I'm going to try the pliers first. Probably not going to work because I don't have enough hand strength, but next will be the crescent wrench. So, let's see if we can get this sucker off, because it just wants to spin. How are we going to do this? There, like so. No. You're not going to work, are you? Well, we're going to try. Alright. Oh. Crescent wrench. Other way. Other way, guys. Other way. Not enough. A little more. Oh, went the wrong way. Alright. I'm not sure if this is what he did, but we're gonna try, because it worked on that other one. Had it. Had it, guys. Ah. I'm overspinning it. This way. Oh, that's as far as it'll go. All right. Oh, struggle bus. Oh. Did I even spray that with WD? No, of course not. That would just be prudent planning. But this is by no means the proper way to do it. Well, we're going to have to spray that one and just move on. This one might have to be zip cut. Unless the hubby can show me how he did it with this wretched thing. Because we all love crescent wrenches. Love them. All right, moving on. Okay. Oh. Hey guys, I'm over here. I don't want to drop you. Okay. What the heck is that? Branch? Oh yeah, you came out nice. I think that was the only one we needed to take out. Let's see what else do we got. Is there more? There is more! Nope, not there. Moving on. That one's broken too. How about this one? That one came out nice. I guess there's always 5, right? There's always 5. Now, that one not there, that one. There's gotta be there. Ha! You thought you could get away with it. And now it's that one. I guess we'll have to come back to that one. All right, moving over there. That's what do we got? The rust is real. Oh, you're just being a pain in my butt. But we got it in the bin. Not sure what this plate is, but it's going in the box. One more. Are you the one that's broken? Yes. Yes, you are. Okay. Let's try a little pressure. What do you think? I am not a left-handed person. Let's try the crescent wrench again. Oh! This one I might actually be able to do something with. What's going on there? How I did it, guys. I do not know. But there's 2 bolts holding us up to taking this off. Both of them are a pain in my butt. You know. I lied, guys. It's 1/2 inch. That's 7/16. So I need you. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to try again. Because never give up. Never give up. Miracles do happen. All right. Of course, I go the wrong way with said crescent wrench. Yes. Okay. It's broken. so heavy and awkward. Right there. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to get a little bit of leverage on this clip because it's broken. So, guys, I'm about this frustrated. But, power tool, let's see what we can do now. There. Of course. If we can get this off, guys, it'll be goal well met. Just this one damn bolt. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. And then I'll probably ask for the other one too. So if you want to see more content, it's me struggling with bolts, smash the subscribe button down below. And if you're here for the first time, thanks for watching. If you make it to the end of the video, we appreciate it. Check out that video, or that video, or maybe this playlist. Hit the bell. Alright, let's oh, almost had it, guys. You know, maybe it was a wrench he was using. Let's go see what we can find out. The wrench. I think it was a wrench, not a crescent wrench, because this, although it has its uses, is still a POS. So, we have wrenched it here. Let's see. So this one, too small. Oh, that was close. Let's try that one. Oh, the wind's picking up, guys. Get this one bolt done. At least try to. And see where we're at. Can't keep it on there. Try a bigger one. got this far. We're gonna have to get the hubby to tell us how the heck he did that. Because there's 2 bolts left. One on this side and one on that side. And both of the clips are broken. So, my frustration went from this to now this. I may have to cut them suckers off. Yeah, that's where we're at. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.